Today, we are talking about apps and technology to make life easier during the holidays. Did you have the perfect gift idea for someone and forgot what it was or where you could buy it? Do you say every year you aren't going to go over your holiday budget, yet somehow it happens? Would you like help knowing when a price drops or a coupon is available? Learn tips for apps to make your holiday season a little brighter as we begin our month focusing on the holidays. Does your clutter own you? On Clear Your Clutter Inside and Out, we'll teach you how to become aware of your clutter along with action steps to declutter and create the life you desire. Come on, let's get started. Today's episode was inspired because apps have made my life easier, and I always have my iPad mini with me, so I'll always have the information I need. I simplified it this year and just included 3 in each category and tried to cover a bit of variety. Remember, take the time to test drive them. If the app doesn't work, delete it. Our iPhones and our iPads and our Androids can also get clutter. Gifts. To help you keep track of just what each person wants, how many gifts you've gotten them, how much you want to spend, and even if you've wrapped the gift or not, there's Santa's bag. Divvy up the dough you have to spend by whom you're spending it on with the Christmas list. You can also arrange your list by store so that you don't make multiple trips in person or fill online shopping carts and pay shipping fees more than once. If you're sharing gift-giving duty, you can send your list via message or email. Christmas List Snowball shows a summary, including the user's budget and actual money spent, how many people are still giftless, how many recipients are over budget, and who's receiving the most expensive gift. Once purchased, each gift can be checked off as wrapped. Shopping. Shop Advisor tracks product prices and availability so you don't have to. You get an alert when the price drops down to what you're willing to pay. You can compare prices across retailers and see what the average consumer ratings are. Shopular coupons bookmark deals from your favorite retailers right onto your phone. Thanks to geolocating, this app pushes relevant deals to your smartphone as soon as you walk into a store. Coupons are updated daily. Wishpot.com allows you to register, do price comparisons, and send you alerts when prices drop. Budgeting. Avoid a hangover and credit card blues in January. BillGuard has 2 goals: to make sure you completely understand your spending habits and to protect your cards from fraud and unauthorized transactions. This app syncs your bank accounts and then brings up your total balance and the amount you spend this month. Pocket Expense focuses on tracking your spending, giving you a visual outlook on your spending before creating budgets. Fudget. This no-frills list interface is best for folks who have a handle on their finances but want an easy space to keep organized. It's good for tracking short-term budgets for the holidays, vacation, or for tracking work expenses. For Thanksgiving, Timer Plus is a simple free timer app that can run multiple countdowns at the same time. That means you can have a timer for your turkey, stuffing, side dishes, and pie, running simultaneously to keep your cooking on track. This free wine app can help you out if you're tasked with bringing a bottle to your Thanksgiving dinner or any other holiday event. Just scan the label of any wine you find at the store, and Vivino gives you ratings and reviews, average price in your area, plus the country and area of origin. The In the Kitchen app has a special page of Thanksgiving recipes, including turkey, mashed potatoes, cocktails, appetizers, and desserts. Each recipe gives you user ratings, difficulty level, cooking times, and number of servings. Those stats make it easy to browse for, say, an easy stuffing recipe that you can make in 40 minutes, or a complicated turkey preparation. Kitchen technology. How many days ago did you open that jar of salsa? What about the last time you changed the filter on your furnace? Days ago, Digital Food Freshness Timer helps you keep track of sauces and salsa, baby food and formula, eggs, olive oil, leftovers, medicine, contact lenses, pet meds, plant watering, aquarium cleaning, etc., etc., etc. Using the suction cup on the back of the counter, slap it onto just about anything that requires keeping track of the number of days. It tracks hours too. If you have too much of one ingredient and too little of another, things will change and the end result will be a dessert dilemma. Bakers have found it is more precise to weigh ingredients for baking than to measure them. So you need a tool that confirms all your ingredients are measured in the correct amounts. Digital measuring cups can do that. Haiku lives in your kitchen, scans barcodes, and recognizes your voice, creating a shared shopping list on your phone so you always know what you need. Use the Haiku shopping list app at the store, any store, and your list is always with you. Or connect Haiku to online stores to make online shopping a breeze. What's your holiday clutter kryptonite? Are you aware of your holiday triggers? Where are you doing something just because? Do you overindulge, overspend, and overcommit? Ready to enjoy the season and focus on what matters most? Get control of your clutter so your clutter doesn't control you. Reclaim time, money, sanity, and resources. Holiday Got Clutter 365 journal prompts supports you in clearing your holiday clutter. Free gift with purchase to support you even more in your journey to declutter your life. Meditation. Relax melodies. Sleep problems, insomnia. Personalized white noise, sleep sounds, and meditation can help you fall asleep. Buddhify, and that's Buddhify, increases your well-being by teaching you mindfulness-based meditation on the go. No matter if you're going to join meditators, a beginner, or practice meditation for a long time, Meditation Timer Pro can help you do it better. You can just focus on meditation without thinking about the time. Party! Pro Party Planner has all your planning needs in one place. Shopping lists, budgets, seating charts, and allows you to collaborate and delegate. Pitch In helps you free up your time and spend less time organizing. Pitch In is the quick and easy way to organize events and assign tasks to others. Ping, and that's Pingg, offers online invitation creation, event management, guest list creation, and event reporting services. Travel. Travel List helps you create checklists for your travels. Do it once and update as you need to. Tripcase. This app allows users to organize multiple flights, hotel reservations, and plans in one place. Users can also follow along with each other's itineraries, allowing families or friends to keep tabs on someone's travel without constant updates. Bring Fido. For pet lovers, this app helps users travel the world with their furry friends, from mapping out parks where dogs are welcome to booking pet-friendly hotels. Finally, all-around apps. Now, you know I'm a fan of Evernote, but not everyone cares for Evernote. Here are 3 apps that I found that may work for you. I'm a fan of an all-around app because it really simplifies everything. Bear, like the animal, works on iPhone, iPad, and Mac, so you can write wherever inspiration strikes. Use to-dos to stay on task across every device. Link notes to each other to build a body of work. Use hashtags to organize for the way you think. All notes are stored in a portable plain text. Bear is perfect for everything from quick notes to in-depth essays. A focus mode helps you concentrate, and advanced markup options are an online writer's best friend. Full inline image supports brings your writing to life. Simple Note. User interface of Simple Note is so easy that everyone can get accustomed to it in a few seconds, although Simple Note supports text-based notes only. Its features include note sharing, synchronizing your notes with other devices, running on a big variety of platforms, ability to back up your notes, and lots more. It's from Automatic, the firm from which WordPress.com comes from. Google Keep has kept minimal approach in terms of design, and almost everyone can get familiar with Google Keep's grid-based arrangement in seconds. Notable features include color codes for notes, list-based notes, ability to share your note with others, reminders within notes. These reminders can be read by Google Now. If you have an Android Wear, it will show your notes from Google Keep. Take actions. Decide where you need the most support with apps and technology. Budgeting, meditation, in the kitchen, meal planning, travel, shopping. Test drive an app that sounds like a good fit. If it isn't, delete it. Consider an all-around app to help you in simplifying and not needing a bunch of apps. Declutter all your apps after the holidays. Delete what you aren't using. On our next episode, we are talking about simplifying the holidays. Go out, clear the clutter to create the life you choose, deserve, and desire. Clearing your clutter allows you to share your gifts with the world. Get your free self-assessment to discover your clutter priority at reawakenyourbrilliance.com. If you've enjoyed Clear Your Clutter Inside and Out, please rate, review, and share us.